Okay, everybody, we're going to use a deck of cards today to play a game. Has anybody ever used a deck of cards before?
Yes.
Okay. So, the game today, we're going to use cards like these, and the numbers at the top, you're going to choose two cards, and you're going to add the number at the top, both numbers at the top together, and then you're going to give me an answer. Okay, so let's begin. Alright, Brittany, can you choose two cards for me? Okay. Now, can you tell me how many that is together?
17.
Alright, good answer. So you get to keep those cards. Okay, Brooke, can you choose two cards, please?
14. 8 plus 6.
Okay, good answer. So you get to keep those cards too because you got those right. Brittany, you can go again.
Okay. 6 plus 9 is 15.
Oh, wow. Can you tell me how you solved that?
I did it in my head.
Okay. Alright, Brooke, you can choose two cards now.
8 plus 10, 18.
Okay, how did you solve that? Can you tell me your strategy for solving?
I use my fingers and counted.
Can you show me how you did that?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Okay, so you started at 10, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Brittany, you can choose two cards.
8 plus 4 is 12.
Great. And Brooke, you can choose the last two cards.
3 plus 2, 5.
Okay, can you tell me how you did that?
I did that in my head.
In your head. Okay, cool. So, as you can see, we used the two numbers at the top of each card and we added them together to get one number. So, do you guys understand what we've done with these cards?
Yes.
Okay, Brittany. So, can you give me two of your cards that you used? Can you just show me them? What are the numbers at the top?
10 and 7.
Okay, cool. So what strategy did you use to solve those?
I counted on my fingers.
Oh, you did? Okay, can you show me how you did that? Thank you, so good. Okay, Brooke, can you share your strategy for when you added together 8 and 6?
I counted on my fingers, and I started at 8 and went up 6.
Oh, that is so good. Thank you guys for doing so well today.